So screen is visible. Can you please confirm?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay. So good evening, guys. Good evening to everyone. I welcome you all on this webinar on how we can, trade Nifty and Bank Nifty in intraday. Now, before I start with this session, I'd like to give my brief introduction. My name is Manish Sachdev. By profession, I'm a trainer. I take training sessions on CFA Level 1 program and on technical analysis. In my training career, I got opportunity to work with BSc Institute Limited and with ITM group of institution as a trainer. So till date, guys, I have total 12 years of experience in training field. I'm also a founder of Sri Sai AMC. Now at Sri Sai AMC, basically what we do, we invest our client money in option strategies, okay, option writing strategy. The goal is to generate 2 to 3% monthly return on capital. See, आज के डेट में अगर आप अपने फंड्स को बैंक फिक्स डिपॉजिट में आप रख रहे हो या रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट में रख रहे हो और यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन पीपीएफ स्कीम्स, सो ऑन एन एवरेज आपको साल का 6 to 8% रिटर्न्स मिल सकता है. Now here I want my clients to earn, higher return. So with this vision, we have started this AMC. The vision statement of Sri Sai AMC is to make every client money double in 4 years of time by just investing in option writing. So with this vision, we have started this AMC. Now let's talk about today's webinar topic. So today what we are going to do, we are going to discuss intraday trading setup. Now the name of intraday trading setup, you can see it is master candle setup. Now this is one of the simple and easy setup to learn and implement in live market. So with master candle setup, you guys can trade Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. तो ये setup आपको तीनों में काम आ सकता है. निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी को भी आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो, आप स्टॉक्स को भी ट्रेड कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सेटअप. नाउ लेट मी गिव यू द वेरी क्विक introduction what exactly master candle setup is. So this is the definition you can see on screen. A candle is known as master or mother candle when its high and low covers at least next 3 to 4 candles high and low. Now to explain this definition, I have a master candle image with me. Now look at this big bullish candle. ये candle को आप ध्यान से देखिए. Now here what I have done, I have taken one horizontal line at the high of this candle. One horizontal line you can see at the low of this candle. Now look at the next 4 candles. You will find next 4 candles are inside this big bullish candle. Now, when you see these 4 candles very carefully, you will come to know they are very small in size. So therefore, we can say these all are baby candles. And this candle is known as mother candle or master candle because this candle is covering next 4 baby candles. So remember guys, in order to call this candle as a mother candle or master candle, minimum, I will say minimum next 3 baby candles must fall inside this candle. Okay, अगली जो 3 candles हैं वो इस candle के अंदर आनी चाहिए. Then only we can say yes, this is master candle or mother candle. Now when we are trading in live market, so let's see how we can take a trade and how we can recognize we have a master candle setup. See, whenever we are trading in live market, we want very first candle on 15 minutes time frame as a master candle. Okay, this is the strict rule we have to follow. Time frame will be 15 minutes. 15 minute के time frame पे दिन की पहली candle, the first candle of the day has to be master candle. Okay, दिन की पहली candle master candle होनी चाहिए on 15 minutes time frame 15. Now how you will come to know we have a master candle. See, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, next 3 candles को आपको देखना होगा. You need to look at next 3 candles. If next 3 candles are inside first candle of the day, अगर अगली 3 candles पहली candle के अंदर आ रही है, this means we are having master candle setup. Now let's discuss how we can take a trade as per this setup. See, price is moving inside master candle. Price is unable to break master candle high. Price is unable to break master candle low. Price is just moving inside master candle. So this is called as consolidation. इसको हम consolidation कहेंगे. We will initiate a trade once price break master candle high or master candle low. If price break master candle high, we can go for long trade. Stop loss master candle low. If price break low of master candle, we can go for short trade. Stop loss master candle high. देखिए अगर प्राइस ने मास्टर कैंडल का हाई ब्रेक किया, आपको लॉन्ग ट्रेड ओपन करना है. स्टॉप लॉस आप रखेंगे मास्टर कैंडल लो. अगर मास्टर कैंडल लो ब्रेक हुआ, यू कैन ओपन शॉर्ट ट्रेड. आपको शॉर्ट ट्रेड ओपन करना है विद स्टॉप लॉस मास्टर कैंडल हाई. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टारगेट. व्हाट कैन बी द टारगेट? सी फॉर टारगेट वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट रेंज ऑफ मास्टर कैंडल. किसी भी कैंडल की हम रेंज कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. कैंडल हाई माइनस कैंडल लो, मास्टर कैंडल हाई minus master candle low. Okay, this will give you range of master candle. If price break 100 on upside, your target will be 110. Master candle high plus master candle range is your target. Master candle high 100, range we got 10 points. So 100 plus 10 points. Okay, 110 is your target. In the same way, agar 90 break hua, if price break 90 on downside, your target will be 80. Master candle low minus master candle range is your target. Master candle low 90, range we got 10 points. 90 minus 10, 80 can be your target on downside. So guys, this is how you need to trade this master candle setup. Any doubts till now, you can ask in chat box. I will answer. If concept is clear to all of you, I will request, please type clear in chat box so that we can move ahead. अगर आपको कुछ doubts, queries है तो आप chat box में लिखिए. I will reply. Okay, महेश सर, रेंज से अपने को टारगेट पता चलेगा. मास्टर कैंडल हाई माइनस मास्टर कैंडल लो. Okay, this will give you the range. Volume is not important. We will initiate a trade after breakout. या तो high break होने दीजिए या low break होने दीजिए. Then we will open the trade. So guys, this was all about theory. Okay, still I have important points related to this setup. Okay, now let me show you one example. So this will give you more clear idea. Now those guys who are asking me to repeat once again, so you guys can pay attention now. So entire setup I will repeat for you. Just give me a minute. Okay, now you can see on graph, guys, this is Bank Nifty, 15 minutes time frame 1-5. Now focus on first candle. Now, first of all, do not look at the date and say this is the old example. See, this is the timeless setup. Okay, ये setup काफी अच्छे से काम कर रहा था past में. आज की date में भी ये setup काफी अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. So first we will focus on learning. कुछ और भी important points है जो मुझे explain करनी है. So at the end of learning, what we will do, I will show you some recent examples. कुछ recent examples को भी हम लोग discuss करेंगे. So pay attention. Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame. This is the very first candle of the day. इसको आप ध्यान से देखिए. This is the first candle. ये दिन की पहली कैंडल है 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम. Now look at the next three candles. Okay, look at the next three candles. You can see next three candles are inside first candle. So this means very first candle is master candle. Okay, this is the condition. This is how you need to recognize master candle. Inside first candle, next three candles must be there. Once you know first candle is master candle, next step, you need to calculate range of master candle. आपको master candle की range calculate करनी है. How to calculate range? Very simple. high minus low. Now when you do this calculation, high minus low, आपको range मिलेगी 248 points. You can see here. This means after market opening, market खुलने के बाद first 15 minutes में बैंक निफ्टी में 248 points का movement आया. We got 248 points move in first candle itself. Now this is the very big move. Okay, given that we got this move in first 15 minutes of the day. Okay, this is a big move. And see what happened after that. Price turned completely sideways. Okay, these all are baby candles. You can see moving inside first candle. Why price is completely sideways? Because already you got a very big move in first candle. So before price give any further move, it is taking some rest. So that's why, price turned completely sideways. So these all are baby candles moving within master candle. And finally, here you can see we got breakout. We want breakout on closing basis. So wait for candle to get close. Okay, do not take trade in running candle. Wait for candle to get close. जैसे ये breakout candle close हो रही है, उसके बाद आपको trade open करना है. As soon as breakout candle gets closed, okay, then only we will open the trade. So this is for long trade. Now what will be the target? Target कैसे decide करेंगे? Master candle high plus range of master candle. So master candle high, you can see 21,221, range 248 points, 21,469 target achieved in this candle. So this was 2 candles trade after breakout. Now let me count the number of baby candles for you. ठीक है, ये baby candles कितने हैं इसको count कर लेते हैं हम लोग एक बार. So this is the first candle, baby candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, we have 15 baby candles within master candle. Now every candle has a duration of 15 minutes. हर एक candle की duration 15 मिनट की है. So if you do 15 into 15, okay, this was 225 minutes long consolidation. And finally we got breakout in 16th candle. So guys, I can say this was healthy consolidation. इसको हम healthy consolidation कहेंगे because from morning till 1:30 or 2 p.m. you can see price was just moving inside master candle. Now whenever you see this type of consolidation, इसको कहा जाता है healthy consolidation, and I have seen that breakdowns works really well after healthy consolidation. अगर healthy consolidation के बाद breakout या breakdown आ रहा है तो उसके चलने के chances काफी अच्छे होते हैं. Now another important point you can note it down here. ये आपको gap area दिख रहा है. So on this day what happened? Bank Nifty open gap up. Okay, opening was above previous day high. Now whenever you see this type of setup on the day of gap up or gap down opening, again very high chances this setup can play out very well. Okay, master candle setup अगर gap up या gap down वाले दिन बन रहा है तो again इसके work होने के chances काफी अच्छे होते हैं. So guys, as a trader you don't have to trade every master candle. आपको हर एक master candle setup trade नहीं करना है. You need to filter out. Okay, which master candle you will trade, which master candle you will avoid. So 2 filters will help you. Number 1, look for healthy consolidation. Master candle के अंदर healthy consolidation आपको मिल रहा है तो again very high chances setup can play out very well. दूसरा filter है आप gap up या gap down देखिए. अगर gap up gap down वाले दिन ये setup form हुआ है, again very high chances this can work very well. Now, even if you are meeting any one point, okay, you can take a trade. Now let's discuss stop loss. What should be the stop loss? देखिए, while explaining theory, I told you when you are going for a long trade, अगर आप long trade में जा रहे हो, you can keep master candle low stop loss. But now we can refine it, okay, to improve risk reward ratio. We will not keep master candle low stop loss. We can refine it to improve risk reward ratio. Now in this slide I will show you आप stop loss कैसे decide कर सकते हो. See, this is the same graph bank nifty जो अभी हमने discuss किया. In this slide I will show you how we can set stop loss. See, stop loss के लिए आपको price action को read करना आना चाहिए. So let's start with this candle. This is master candle, first candle of the day. After that, you can see price came down. Now look at the low of this candle. ये candle का आप low check कीजिए. This is 20,975. Okay, from here price went up, came down. Now look at the low of this candle, 21,077. Now this low will be termed as higher low because this value is more than previous low. तो इसको हम लोग कहेंगे higher low. Again from here you can see price went up, came down. Now this candle made new higher low, 21,127. From here price turned sideways. Look at the low of this candle, 21,124. Now these two values you can see they are almost same. And finally you are getting breakout. Breakout candle closed at 21,281. So take long entry here. यहाँ पर आप long trade open कीजिए with stop loss 21,124. So guys, point to note down here is when you are going for a long trade, you can keep higher low as your stop loss. ये breakout के पहले आप check कीजिए price ने higher low कहाँ बनाया है. That can be your stop loss. So this was initial low. This became higher low. Now this is the new higher low. So this is entry 21,281. This is stop loss 21,124. And this is the target 21,469. So this is your complete setup to trade index in intraday. So please remember, for all long trades, you can follow higher low as your stop loss. Now next example, you can see we have a Nifty on 15 minutes time frame, and this is the very first candle. So just focus on first candle. Now look at the next three candles. See, next three candles are inside first candle. So this first candle is master candle. Range you can check here, 72 points is the range. So these all are baby candles. So this was consolidation, you can see. Price was just moving within first candle. And finally here you can see we got big breakdown. Look at this candle. This is very strong bearish candle. By looking at this candle, I can say bears are active. This is strong bearish candle. So at the time of breakout or breakdown, if you are getting very strong candle or convincing candle, very high chances, again, this setup can play out very well. तो ये काफी छोटी-छोटी points है, but it makes lot of difference. Breakout या breakdown के time पे अगर आपको strong candle मिल रही है, तो ये breakout, breakdown, convincing breakout, breakdown बन जाता है. So look for these points at the time of breakout or breakdown. See, before this candle, price was trying to break low of master candle here, but completely failed, and you got nice rejection candle. Finally, price succeeded in this candle. See, this candle break and closed below master candle low. So short trade is triggered here. Now what will be the target? See, target will be 9089 minus 72 points. Okay, 9017 target achieved in this candle. Now let me show you where to place stop loss. अगर हम short trade open कर रहे हैं तो stop loss कहाँ होना चाहिए? So this was master candle in Nifty. Initially, say Nifty went up, made a high 9156. Okay, यहाँ से you can see Nifty came down up to this candle. Again, it went up, made a new high 9113. Now this is lower high. इसको हम lower high कहेंगे. You can see this value is less than size. So this is lower high. And finally, you got big breakdown. Breakdown candle closed at 9067. So take short trade here and keep stop loss 9113. So guys, point to note down, अगर हम short trade में enter कर रहे हैं तो हमारा stop loss होना चाहिए lower high. See, for long trade, it was higher low. For short trade, it will be lower high. So this is entry 9067, stop loss 9113, target 9017. So please remember, for all short trades, what we can do, we can follow lower high as our stop loss. Now, apart from index, guys, if you wish, you can also practice this setup in stocks. ठीक है, एक example मैं आपको stocks का दिखा लेता हूँ. See, this is PVR, 15 minutes time frame. This is the very first candle. Okay, this is master candle. These all are baby candles, you can see. and finally you are getting breakout. Now look at the breakout candle. This is again very strong candle. By looking at this candle, we can say bulls are active. And before this breakout, you can see this was healthy consolidation. You are getting breakout after 2 p.m. So this was healthy consolidation. And after breakout, we got target within 3 candles. So this is one more filter for you. Agar breakout ke time pe, if candle is very strong, if it is looking like a convincing breakout, again very high chances setup काफी अच्छे से work हो सकता है. Okay, now let me show you a Bank Nifty example. हम लोग देख लेते हैं कुछ decent time में. Okay, so this is 13th and this is 14th. Try to identify आपको कौन से डे पे master candle दिख रहा है in Bank Nifty. Out of 13 and 14, guys, on which date can you see master candle setup?
It is on 13.
Correct, 13th.
Yeah.
So if you see on 14th also we have a setup. Yeah. So on both days we got setup. So first we will look at on 13th. So this is 13th and we got gap up opening, you can see. So you will get many master candles, but जो हमने filters सीखे हैं उस हिसाब से अपने को spot करने master candles. तो ये master candle बना on the day of gap up opening. So after gap up opening, you can see this was master. Then baby candles. Then we got breakout and it worked well. Next day, again, we got master candle. You can see a big fall in first 15 minutes and completely sideways move for next 1 hour and very strong breakout. Convincing breakout. So this was the another filter which we have discussed. Even though we do not have healthy consolidation, but when you are getting breakout with very strong candle, you can take a trade, take a risk and go for a trade. Very high chances trade can work in your favor. So because of this very strong breakout candle, this worked very well. Okay, now we will see recent examples, some in Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Manish ji, there are a couple of questions on the chat box.
Okay.
They are saying if we get a master candle in the later part of the day.
Okay, no guys, master candle has to be very first candle of the day on 15 minutes time frame. This is the strict rule. If you are getting later part of the day, avoid. Okay, now guys, you can see this is the Nifty. Now tell me which time frame we will use. We will look for master candle on what time frame? Okay, type in chat box, guys. Let me see.
15
minutes.
Right, 15 minutes. Okay, so this is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. We will, let me set this graph properly for you and then we will try to discuss this setup. So again, I am saying you will get so many master candles, but every master candle is not important for us. We have discussed 3 filters, if you remember. Number 1, look for healthy consolidation inside master candle. Number 2, look for gap up, gap down opening. And number 3, at the time of breakout or breakdown, candle should be strong. It should look like convincing breakout, breakdown. So with these 3 filters in mind, okay, we will try to spot master candle. So tell me guys, on which date now can you see master candle in Nifty? So date you can read at bottom. This was 9th November. Okay, this is 10th November and this is 11th November. So on which date can you see master candle setup? Out of
19th October, sir, probably.
10th October. 10th.
Yes, 10th is perfect. What is the filter? Let's discuss the filter. हमने जो 3 filters discuss किए थे, out of that, which filter can you see on
gap up, gap down?
Gap down.
Gap down opening. So
Consolidation.
this was the previous day low. ये candle ने पिछले दिन में low बनाया था and you got gap down opening. next day. And after gap down opening, see price didn't went further down. It start, consolidate.
Healthy consolidation.
Okay, so master candle high पे एक horizontal line draw कीजिए. Take one horizontal line at master candle low so that you can see the consolidation nicely. Second filter भी match हो रहा है. So this was healthy consolidation plus gap down. Now tell me in which candle you will take entry. Let's count from here. आप ये candle से count कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, in which candle we will take entry?
17th candle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the one candle. Okay, now tell me, should we open trade in this candle?
No.
Right, this is not a strong candle. You can see candle is having big upper wick. Look at this candle now. This is very strong candle. So you are getting third filter also here. Okay, this is very strong candle. And from here you can see we got nice move on upside. So all these points you need to look for when you wish to trade, master candle setup. Whenever you learn any new setup, my advice will be first see how this setup is doing in live market. Do forward testing. Once you gain confidence, then only you should start trading with very small account risk initially. Slowly and gradually you can scale up. Okay, now we will again try to spot this setup.
19th October.
अभी एक बार आप फिर से देख लीजिए. 19, 20, 21. Guys, look at these 3 dates. 19, 20,
20 and 21 both.
Right, 20, not on 19. See, we have only 2 candles inside first candle. So 20th is perfect. Okay, so again you can see we got a strong breakdown, and from here you can see we got nice move on downside. ठीक है, अभी बैंक निफ्टी में हम लोग देख लेते हैं एक सेटअप.
Manish.
Yes.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm disturbing you. How is it different from ORB 15, open range breakout of the 15 minutes?
See, in ORB, what happens? अगर आपको next candle का ही breakout मिल रहा है, if even second candle breaks first candle high or low, then we enter. But here, what we are doing, we are waiting for at least next 3 candles. So this is how this setup is different from ORB. In ORB, you can take entry in second candle also. If second candle break first candle high or low. But here we are waiting for at least 1 hour of trade, and we are looking for entry only after 10:50. Next 3 candles has to be there inside first candle.
Sir, what if master candle is not so big?
See, if risk reward ratio is not favorable, okay, please do not trade this setup. So when you are taking trade, make sure risk reward is at least 1:1 or more than that. Otherwise, no point in opening the trade, even though we have a setup.
No, means I was just asking that if a candle is not significant, first candle, then what?
You're not going to take the trade itself.
That's what I'm saying. See, if candle is not big and you are not getting a good risk reward ratio, then you should not open the trade. When we are taking the trade, risk reward ratio matters. So even though we have a big candle or not, look at the risk reward and then open the trade. You can also look for stocks. Okay, you will get this type of setup in stocks also with same filters. So I will show you Wipro.
Why to how bangar lage?
Okay. Now
Yeah,
tell me
11th.
guys, on which date can you see master
11th.
candidate?
11th.
11th. Which filter we have on 11th?
Gap down.
Again, gap down, same.
Consolidation.
Yes. Gap down, and then we have a 3 baby candles, and then we got breakdown, and then it went down. So this was the setup on 11th. So now, if you wish, you can take screenshot of filters. So 3 filters are very important. So filters to trade master candle. Look for healthy consolidation. Healthy consolidation means price should be moving inside master candle till maybe 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m. and then you are getting breakout. Second filter, look for gap up, gap down. अगर गैप अप गैप डाउन ओपनिंग हुआ है उसके बाद ये सेटअप फॉर्म हो रहा है, अगेन वेरी हाई चांसेस अच्छे से काम कर सकता है. एंड थर्ड फिल्टर, एट द टाइम ऑफ ब्रेकआउट ब्रेकडाउन, कैंडल शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, कैंडल शुड बी strong enough to look like convincing breakout or breakdown. Now, even if you are meeting any one point, okay, out of 2, you can take a trade. So now, any more doubts, queries, guys, if you have, you can ask in chat box. So this was all about master candle setup. ठीक है, अगर किसी को कुछ डाउट्स, किसी को कुछ क्वेरी है तो आप पूछ सकते हो चैट बॉक्स में, आई विल आंसर.
So like in Nifty, the master candle, like should it be like some particular number of points, like then only we consider?
No ma'am, it's not like that. Sir, just focus on first candle and next 3 candles उसके अंदर आनी चाहिए. So उसको हम लोग master candle कहेंगे. That's it.
Generally, so you know best, in a month, how many setup do we get in Bank Nifty or Nifty with this thing?
Again, it's difficult to say how many, in a month we will get. So
because ORB we get a lot, right?
Yes, what I will advise, see, do not depend only on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We have so many stocks, universe of stock is very broad. So you should look for this setup in stocks also. So I will try to share one scanner for you guys so that you can easily spot this setup in stocks. तो वो scanner बना के I will share in the group. आप वो time पे group पे check कर लीजिए scanner. तो scanner से you can filter out किस stocks में master candle बना है. And with these filters, if any one filter is meeting the criteria, then you can trade in stocks also. So in index, you will not get very frequently, but in stocks, you will get this setup. Maybe, daily one stock you may get inside this setup.
So if we say like this kind of a strategy, like how much percentage rate of hitting target is there?
Can't proceed.
Say again.
Depend on, size of master candle. So even if you see in Wipro now, okay, we will see the range of master candle. See, what is the range now? You can calculate. 6 points is the range almost. So this is 600 rupees stock. तो इसमें आपको range क्या मिल रहा है? 1% का range मिल रहा है. Intraday में if you are using leverage, okay, 5 times आप leverage use कर सकते हो intraday में if you are using leverage. So you can make 5% ROI अगर ये trade successful जा रहा है तो. So up to 1% तक आपको मिल जाता है range of master candle. Not more than that.
सर क्या ये 5 मिनट में भी देख सकते हैं क्या?
सर 15 मिनट्स में आप चेक कीजिए. 15 मिनट्स में इसका एक्यूरेसी ज्यादा अच्छा है कंपेयर टू 5 मिनट्स. हमने क्या बैक टेस्टिंग इसको 15 मिनट में किया है. सो इट हैज अ गुड विन रेट इन 15 मिनट्स. और ये फिल्टर्स मैच होने चाहिए तो ही आप ट्रेड ओपन कीजिएगा. ये फिल्टर्स काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है.
या सर 15 नवंबर को 5 मिनट्स का जो कैंडल था ना वो कुछ सिग्निफिकेंट था, इसके लिए पूछा मैंने.
अच्छा नहीं 15 मिनट्स में ही आप ट्रेड कीजिए.
ओके.
So is it important to see the volume also for a good breakout?
See, not required, but yes, if you are using volume in your current trading system, then you can use and confirm at the time of breakout breakdown. If you are getting volume, then it will be double confirmation for you, but it is not required. If breakout candle is strong enough, then you can without looking at the volume you can trade. Okay, any more doubts, any more queries, guys, you can ask related to this setup.
No, sir.
Okay. More than 60-65% is win rate. Okay, with these filters, again, very high chances setup will work very well. Algo, I don't have idea if we can do this. We can call it an algo. So I don't have idea on that. Okay, so Kamalji sir, we have an upcoming training program. So if you have permission, can I announce this upcoming training program?
For everybody, I'm being very clear on this thing is Mr. Manish is a paid mentor also. He's going to now promote his channel and his training. Those who feel comfortable are free to do it. So please go ahead and do it.
Thank you. So just thought to share with you guys, we have an upcoming training program. Okay, 6 days training program. So what we do basically in this training program, see, from day 1 to day 3, we will start learning technical analysis from 0 level. So if you are a beginner, you don't have any knowledge on technical analysis, and if you are interested to learn, so 0 level se hum log start karte hain. So day 1 to day 3, you can see the content. Okay, technical analysis basics, types of charts, powerful candle patterns, support, resistance, risk management, trend analysis. All these topics will be covered from day 1 to day 3. Day 4 में थोड़ा हम लोग एडवांस लेवल की तरफ जाते हैं. On day 4 we discuss intraday trading setups only for stocks, okay, which work very well in stocks like gap up opening, gap down opening, how to trade stocks on the day of gap up, on the day of gap down opening. As a trader, it is very important for us to recognize अगर कोई भी stock gap up या gap down से open हो रहा है, will it sustain? Because many times you might have seen gap up खुलने के बाद higher levels sustain नहीं होती है and prices again comes down. Same thing happened in gap down khulne ke baad immediately price recover. So it is very important to recognize whether these gaps are likely to sustain. So that we discuss on day 4 and how we can trade gap up, gap down opening. Day 5 pe again we will discuss intraday setups, but only for index, only for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And on day 6 we discuss swing trading setups. Okay, swing trading setups which work very well on daily and weekly time frame. And with this training program we are giving a bonus option basics का आपको playlist दिया जाएगा. So if you want to learn options from again 0 level, so you will learn what is call option, what is put option, option moneyness, what is intrinsic value, what is time value. So everything is covered in 9 videos. So that playlist will be given to you as a bonus. So this is the content for 6 days program. If you are interested, then only you can join. And this training program also you will get lifetime mentoring videos, live market support, daily assignments will be given to check your understanding level, and some articles I will share with you so that it will boost your knowledge, it will increase your knowledge on technical analysis subject. So this boot camp we are starting from 5th December, Sunday to Friday, 6 days, and timing will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now, even after this 6 days training, okay, you will keep on getting continuous learning support. And you can attend live sessions. You will get recordings, PPTs. Okay, we will also give you these scanners to filter out किस stock में gap up या gap down opening हुआ है. So recordings, PPTs, scanners, you will have a lifetime access. Okay, now today's offer, you can see it is only for rupees 3,000 if you enroll today. And this is my WhatsApp number. If you wish, you can try to contact me. Once you enroll, you can ping me on this number 7350224466. So here are the payment methods: GPay, PhonePe you can do, or bank details, and here is the UPI. ID. So you can take a screenshot, and once you enroll, just ping on this number. I will confirm your payment, and we will start this camp from Sunday onwards. Yes, I will share the scanner of Master Candle in some time. So if anyone is interested, you can take a screenshot. Okay, so Kamaljeet sir, can we end this meeting now?
Manish, it was a lovely session. I'm request. Just hold on for a second. Let me hold on.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Let's be honest that you did a perfect and a lovely job by telling us about the Master Candle. I will request anybody in the audience who has a question can unmute and ask the question, because before we call it off, it will be correct on the part that Mr. Manish replies to all these comments. Manish, you can share your Telegram link in the chat box so that the people only get to the... see, you have made an effort for the people who are interested should join you. Reasonably sized Facebook as well as the Telegram group. We have very sized. Facebook is close to around about... we are going to touch 9,000 now. So we intend that we grow with the community very fast. R is a very different platform. As we don't charge anything. I've not been charging for last 1.5 years, and I don't intend to charge.
Okay.
I'm happy with this thing is, but people who are interested, kindly please be very kind enough to contact Manish ji. So please punch in your mobile number in the chat box. 1. Number 2, anybody who fails to get it and has an afterthought, it comes in, they can contact me. I will pass on the number to you. So if there are no questions, Manish ji, do I have your permission to close the session?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Thank you, Manish ji, for taking a lovely session. It was time very well spent on a weekend.
Thank you for inviting.
More webinars from you.
Yes, we will.
God bless you.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Stay safe, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.